all in light of the fact that the EV3 is a totally new model. Yet, the EV3 marks the appearance of Kia's cutting-edge single-pedal drive framework. By and by, it highlights regenerative slowing down at driver-selectable levels through directing wheel-mounted paddles. How unique or further developed it is from the ongoing framework won't be clear until we drive the EV3. The EV3 additionally gets 4 new paint colors that have so far got away from the Kia range: aventurine green, ice sign, shale, dark, and earthenware. They join 5 other outside colors in the standard Kia range. The cost of the 2026 Kia EV3 is supposed to begin from $30,000 and go up to $42,000, contingent upon gear and choices. Taking into account the abrupt advancement in the conservative SUV EV fragment, the beginning cost of the EV3 will be around $30,000, which agrees with Kia's appraisals. Albeit last trims and determinations for the US market have not been concluded, we anticipate that it should follow comparable gear and valuing structure as the bigger EV9 SUV. Both the norm and long-range models utilize a solitary motor evaluated at approximately 209 pound-feet. Force. In spite of the fact that subtleties are not yet accessible, we accept a double-engine, all-wheel drive rendition could show up as the EV3 GT line trim, which could show up after the EV3's presentation in 2026. Kia additionally says the EV3 will incorporate eDTVC electric powerful force vectoring control. Kia claims the EV3 can hit 60 mph in 7.5 seconds. Maximum velocity, 105 mph. Kia gauges the most extreme scope of the creation. EV3 will be around 350 miles, albeit not affirmed by EPA results. This number probably mirrors the lighter front-wheel drive model with the bigger 81.4 kW limit battery. Commonly, a double-engine all-wheel drive form of a given model with a similar battery limit will probably lessen, by and large, reach, yet Kia hasn't delivered any authority gauges on how much. Remember to buy into our feed for more vehicle refreshes.